So in this video, I'm here to describe 5 different functional groups. By the way, functional groups are an atom or a group of atoms that is responsible for the specific properties of an organic compound. Alright, the first functional group is amino acid. It consists of a nitrogen attached to 2 hydrogens. When you connect amino group in water, it will pick up a proton from the solutions, increasing the pH that makes the amino acid or group look like this. It will have 3 hydrogens and the positive charges. Just remember that amino sounds ammonia. Ammonia formulas NH3 and its base just like the amino group. Sulfhydryl group. It consists a sulfur bonded to a hydrogen. Sulfhydryl group are important in determining the shape of proteins because it is close to one another. They can form a disulfide bridge that create turns and bends in a protein chain, and that determines the protein's overall shape. Sulfhydryl group can be found in the amino acid cysteine. When 2 cysteine residues are in close proximity to each other, they can form a disulfide bridge called cysteine. The formation of a Fo's transitional modification. The third one is a phosphate group. The phosphate group is a molecule containing 1 atom of phosphate covalently bond to 4 oxygen residues, 2 of which be expressed as a hydroxyl group. They are relatively reactive molecules that reading form polyester bonding via interaction with hydroxyl groups. Phosphate groups are incredibly important. Here are phosphate groups making up the backbone of DNA. Here is another phosphate groups in the head of a phospholipid. The key molecule in cell membrane and here are the 3 phosphate groups and life's key energy molecules, ATP. Methyl group is a carbon connected to 3 hydrogens. If you know the natural gas methane, that is a methyl group. It is very easy to identify. We'll also see methyl represented by its empirical formula. In one of these 2 forms, adding. Adding methyl group is called methylation, and it creates a non-polar region where the methyl was added. Cells use methylation to modify DNA. Methylated DNA won't be transcribed, essentially turning the DNA off. Finally, here's an acetyl group containing a carbonyl group and a methyl group. It can attach in any or to any molecule, from as small as an OH group, making acetic acid to the largest molecule that we know of. It is often used in organic chemistry reactions, making it an important moiety to be familiar with.